Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yay, I'm so excited for this video. So today I will be unboxing a binder and some envelopes that I picked up from Etsy. I'll link both of these shops in the description box. When I first started my journey, I did DIY me some envelopes, just to get started, and I ordered some, different binders just to get started. But to be honest, I want something a little more up to date, if you will. So I had 4 binders, so I'm going to combine these binders. I'm going to drop down to 3. I'm going to have my low priority. I'll keep this binder here. This is my low priority. I already ordered, cute envelopes from a shop. I'll link that shop also. And I also will be keeping my little vacation binder. But at some point, I will recreate me some new envelopes if I need to. So that's the second binder I have. So what I'm going to do is combine these two binders. So I will not have these two. I'll just sell these clear binders on Macari or either a local marketplace here in my area. So we're going to condense these. So we'll have 3. Have low priority, high priority, and vacation binder. And that's what I think I'm going to have from now on. So let's go ahead and get into the binder. I've been wanting one of these. I tried to order it off on my fro, but she's always out of stock. So I found this other shop on Etsy called, I'll put the name of the shop on the screen. And this is how it comes. And yes. And it also, this is it. It's the black, what you call it, like I don't know, but you can see what it is. Yeah, this is it. So had a card that said thank you for supporting my small business, and I like it. But yeah, it came with this cute pen that I will keep in there. But I'm going to take these out, and what I'll do with this stuff right here is I'll still use this as a notebook, and I'll just bind these together with some rings, with some O-rings, and I'll just use this as a notebook. So we're going to move that over to the side. We're going to go ahead and take this out. If I can get it out. And I like the rose gold. Then it has a place for 1, 2, 3, 4 cards if you like, and then got a longer pocket right here. So this is my binder. So we're going to put that over to the side. And let me show you my beautiful envelopes that I picked up from Shonversation. This is how it came. Came in this cute packaging. Then this is how it came. So I'll admit, just looking at her packaging makes me want to go ahead and focus on an idea I have for my Etsy shop. I'm not interested in doing the envelopes. Shout out to anyone who sells envelopes. I just made the 100 envelopes challenge that I'm going to be doing when I finish with my 10K challenge. And let me just say, kudos to anybody who makes these. These are time consuming. And I do not have time, nor do I have the passion to do this on a regular basis. So to me, stuff like side hustles, it should be your passion, but I got a passion for something else that I'm working on, so stay tuned. It probably won't come out till January because, I want to perfect it. So anyway, back to the cash envelopes, and these are my envelopes. These are the extra ones she sent me, which was so nice. She gave me 3, and I was looking at these envelopes. God, it's so good. Look at them. So she put my name and my 2 daughters' name on each one of these envelopes. Is that not nice? These are beautiful. Look at the color. Look at the print on this. And y'all know I love purple and I love butterflies. And I am a natural girl. And I like it because the paper is not real thick like cardstock. Even though cardstock is really sturdy. But for cash envelopes, I like the thinner paper. So I really like this paper. Yeah, so I like this. So I think I'll use these as like my dashboards. Or something special I want to do for my daughters, I'll put it in here. But this is going to be my dashboard. Veronica, yes. Is that not pretty? Let's just take a picture of this. Okay, so that's the freebie. So she tells you about her shop. And then on the back, she tells you about taking care of the cash envelopes, which I think is great. I'll be glad to give her a review. And these are the envelopes that I ordered. I have 10 of them. These are going to be my high priority envelopes. And I love the fact that they have the tracker on the back. Yay! Shout out to Renae RN Budget for featuring Shonversation envelopes on her channel. I asked her where she got hers from, and she immediately told me. So shout out to you for Rochelle for featuring these beautiful envelopes, where hers weren't exactly like this, but she got them from her shop. So let's go ahead and go through my envelopes. These are going to be my priorities from here on out. Car, anything dealing with the car, and I left the edge on there. I'll hole punch this later. I should have got her to go ahead and hole punch, but I got a hole punch, so that's okay. So got car, home, anything pertaining to the home. Subscriptions, like I'm gonna say my post office box, I'm gonna start paying it yearly. I'm gonna start paying my CVS care card yearly. Shout out to Renae RN. She lets me know I was paying $5 a month for CVS Care Pass, and she lets me know I could pay $40 a year, which will save me $20. So I'm gonna change over to that yearly. So that's gonna be part of my subscription. And I also pay a $24 a month, $24 a year subscription for my Kind Master. That's how I edit my videos. And anything that I'm gonna pay yearly is gonna go in this envelope. Yes. Investments, y'all know I'm big on investments, so whatever I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna start investing at the end of each month with the beautiful Mommy Trader. So my money for that is always gonna go in this envelope, and I like this. Yeah, she about her business, baby. She got her for what it called, fedora hat on. Yeah, she ready. Then self-care. Miss V loves herself, so this gonna be for pedicures, massages, milkshakes, whatever. Everybody's self-care is different. Milkshake is self-care for me sometimes. So whatever I want to do for myself is going to go in this envelope. Then I decided, since they keep laying my husband off, and we've been fortunate enough because we've been on a budget and we've already disciplined, we have not had to use our emergency fund when he's been laid off, but I still thought it would be great to stay 1 month ahead. And so that'll catch some of the smaller bills that we may need to pay, or anything pertaining to our monthly bill. So I'm gonna do 1 month ahead. I like this one. And then Miss V, anything Miss V wants, I'm gonna get it out of this envelope. Yeah. And fitness and health, y'all know I'm all about fitness and health. I gotta get back to drinking my water. Well, I'm drinking it, but not as much. I gotta get back to exercising, and yeah, start back making my smoothies. So anything that pertains to that will go in this envelope. And then this is my oldest daughter, Tiffany. This really is for like their birthdays, or if I want to do something special for them. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull their money out of here. Normally I used to just do for the grandkids, but now that my daughters have gotten older and I have matured, I've started to, decide to start doing nicer things for them, just because, every now and then. And this is my oldest daughter. Oh Lord, it looks just like her with that hair. That's cute. And youngest daughter, so I do the same thing for her. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave these out, and I'm gonna go ahead and stuff them. So stay tuned. Okay, time to stuff these envelopes. It feels good to upgrade your envelopes. I think it just keeps the momentum going when you change it up a little bit. It really gets something you like. So a lot of people be like, why you can't just do the white envelope? Because I don't want to. I started out with the white envelopes, but I'm getting the cute ones now. So for car, we're gonna do $200 because I can never get this maintenance built up. So I'm gonna start out with $200, and yes, this is part of my traveling check. My new travel, I got a new travel assignment as a respiratory therapist. So yes, so I'm gonna bulk up all my sinking funds with this first contract, and then when I get the next contract, I'll get more serious about investing and saving. So I want to get these day the 25th deposit. Yeah, I want to get these built up. So we got car. Next we have home, which is getting $100. I want 2 new nightstands. That's what I'm looking for, and I need a new plant stand for my plant that is growing. Wow. So I insert a picture here so you'll see what I'm talking about. Just gonna leave it off. So we got home, car. Subscriptions, we'll be getting, I don't see, I didn't write subscriptions down. So we'll skip subscriptions. Investments, we'll be getting $5. Oh, this time I went in. Self-care, $25, a 20 and a 5. Are these envelopes not cute? Please tell me they're cute to you. Okay, self-care, $25. I just got a pedicure. So this gonna be for stuff like getting my hair done, anything that pertains to what I call self-care. Okay, 1 month ahead, we're gonna start it out with $50. I think this envelope is going to be very helpful. I was doing random acts of kindness on my channel. I've been on YouTube about 5 years because I always want to reward people that are actually watching my video, not the ones that are just subscribed to my channel. But I think I'm going to start doing giveaways, but my giveaways going to be like silent giveaways. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna swap over to giveaways. So Miss V, I would not be putting anything in here from this money because I had $92 left over from my rollover, so I put that money in here. It's presently in my wallet because I thought I was gonna pick up me some Adidas, but they were $140 and I did not want to pay $140, so I'm waiting till they go on sale. So I'm gonna hold on to the $92 for now. Fitness and health is getting nothing because it's not on the sheet. Nothing right now. Tiffany is getting $5. Oh, I put the wrong thing. I'll fix that after the video. Deposit goes right here. Erica is also getting $5. They already have some monies in the bank. So this is what's actually in the envelope. So this is a deposit. So that's it for my high priority envelopes. So now we're gonna go to my low priority envelopes, and this is the binder. So business gets nothing. Christmas will get $20. Entertainment will get $20. As you can see, everybody has zero. This money is already in the bank. Giving will get $5. Let me do 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good grades will get $5. I had $25 in here and I had to use it because my grandkids, I give them $20 per A. And one of my granddaughters, she got 1 A and B, all B's. And then my grandson had all B's. So I had to give that $25. I gave $20 to her for the 1 A and the other 5 $1 bills for my little grandson for getting all satisfactory. So yeah. So I got to build this back up because I think they focus on A's because they were like, we don't get anything for B's. I said, yeah, just focus on getting A's. That's what you get for B's. Good grades is $5. Medical gets $10. That's my washing machine you hear. Let me know it's finished. New car gets $5. I gotta get serious about this new car because we got 3 older cars. So yeah, I probably got about $50 in new car. But okay, that's in the bank. So I'm gonna put $5 right here. Let me know this was actually in the envelope. Support small gets nothing. I'm gonna chill on support small for right now. Taxes, nothing. Which I do need to put some in, but over here. Unbudgeted is getting $45 because, yeah, I think it needs it. 10, 20, 30, 10, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Oh, I got some extra money. So $45 in unbudgeted. I'm glad I came up with this envelope. I seen somebody else that had it. That's where I got the inspiration from. I mean, you can do unbudgeted, miscellaneous, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, so I have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 left. And I think I'm going to put that in. I put the $15 in taxes. So yeah, that's it. That's going to conclude this video. I'm excited about my new envelopes. Let me hole punch them and show you how my binder is all set up. So stay tuned.